The 2025 Ford Bronco is bringing back something many have been waiting for, the return of the affordable base trim. After being cut from the lineup due to supply chain issues and the ramp-up of Ford Ranger production in 2024, the base trim is making a comeback. But there's a dark twist to its return. While the base is back, Ford is cutting 4 other trims from the 2025 lineup. Before you rush to the dealership, though, Ford has labeled the 2025 Bronco Base as of late availability model, meaning it won't be available at the start of the production year. The base trim will be offered in both 2-door and 4-door versions, with each offering unique features. The 2-door model comes with a molded-in color, mic, top in carbonized gray, while the 4-door version will feature a soft black cloth top. Both versions sport 16-inch steel wheels, all-season tires, and come with the iconic Bronco lettering on the grille, along with black bumpers, fender flares, LED headlights, and tow hooks. Under the hood, the Bronco Base packs a 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost engine paired with a 7-speed manual transmission. Great news for those who love manual shifting. There's also an optional 10-speed automatic transmission with Ford's off-road focused trail control and trail turn assist features. The suspension system, though basic, is built on the high-speed off-road suspension system, HOS 1.0, giving the Bronco the capability you'd expect. Inside, the base trim gets some nice upgrades, including a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, single-zone air conditioning, and 6-way manual front seats. The 2-door version has 50-50 split rear seats, while the 4-door gets a 60-40 split. The infotainment system features a 12-inch display and 4G LTE hotspot capability through Ford Pass, with 3 months of free service before you'll need to pay for the connection. For off-road enthusiasts, Ford is bringing back the Sasquatch package for the 2025 Bronco Base. This adds 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels wrapped in 35-inch rugged terrain tires, high-clearance suspension, and Bilstein dampers. The package also includes electronic locking differentials and tube steps, giving you a beefed-up off-road experience. However, while Ford is reviving the base trim, it's dropping 4 others: the Black Diamond, Wildtrak, Everglades, and Heritage Limited Edition. While the Strop Special Edition is set to replace the Wildtrak, its production volume remains unclear. For now, the base trim will stand alongside the Big Bend, Outer Banks, Badlands, Raptor, and Heritage Edition. Ford has yet to release pricing for the 2025 Bronco lineup, but we expect updates soon. For now, it's clear the return of the base trim gives Bronco fans an affordable way to get their hands on this off-road icon, but the changes to the lineup might leave some longtime enthusiasts with mixed feelings.